So hello guys, I'm Sorodip Biswas. So welcome back to my channel. So today I will going to show you a fan which I purchased from Amazon. So let me quickly show it to you. So first of all, let me say you I have checked all the contents of the box by opening the seal during the time of delivery and did a video. That's a rough video, that's not for sharing, but whatever might be, always for security reason, you also, if you buy something from Amazon or Flipkart or online, must do a video in case the delivery guys put a brick or a stone inside, you can claim the thing. So whatever might be, let me show you what I've purchased. So as you are watching, this is the Amazon box and something Crumpton-ish product is inside. So let me introduce you to the Crumpton Zapar High Speed. Yes, Crumpton Zapar. So you are right. So this is the packaging. This is the exact packaging what I received. So now some of you guys may claim it's manufactured without zooming the video. So first of all, let me show you the blades. So this is the blade. So now I hope you guys have understood what's the manufacturing location of this fan. So let me just bring out the motor first. So this is the motor. So this is the Crumpton Zapar. As you can see, this is the Crumpton Zapar. This is all the size of the Zapar box. As you can see, whatever might be, let me show you the manufacturing. So as you can see, this is the manufacturing. So let me just turn on the light. So if you can see it properly. So it's a typical Solan product. As you can see, it's Baddi Solan. So I know Zapar is a Solan product, and it's why I purchased Zapar. Let me explain to you. So here is a new thing, OK checked. So the manufacturer is 5219 and its MRP is 2160, and I got this fan for 1829 from Amazon. And the thing about this fan, you may say this fan is similarly or slightly I got for higher price because of the delivery charges which are included in the packaging, because it's free delivery. So obviously this product price is similar to that of Riviera. Yes, that junk fan Riviera. Now why I purchased the Zapar? So you may say, yes, the Zapar having the same blades of Riviera and it's also a type of Riviera and also Solan product. So first thing is first, this fan is far better than that of Riviera anyways. So let me just quickly unbox the fan without wasting any more time. Now this is the fan's box. So let me show you. The blade box is slightly indented like this because due to the packaging of the motor, but I check everything is good and fine. So I assure you everything is fine inside, nothing to worry about. So let's check, means let's quickly unbox the fan. Let me show you the motor, blades and whatsoever, and let's just continue. Before continuing, let me show you one crazy thing. What is this? Let me say to you, it's opal white and it's double stickerized with brown. Wow, the Solan is such a it's 1200 mm. As you can see, the box was of opal white. They have pasted the brown sticker and the blades is also brown, as you can see. So such kudos goes to Solan, factory of Crumpton. So let me just have a quick unboxing. Okay, checked. Let's see what's checked. So guys, let me just now explain to you what's the thing is going on. So this fan is supplied with a junk shackle. This shackle is a cool breeze or this type of shackle. This shackle should be supplied with Riviera and not with Zapar, because this model is better than Riviera anyways. So first let me explain the points. So this is an 11-inch down rod. So this is like HS. I am very happy with it. So that whole of the down rod and the motor is M6. So nothing to worry about. Now let me come to the canopies. So these are the canopies, basic Solan make canopies, but the canopies are matte finish, as you can see, and it's better than that of the 2020 canopies, which are little bit oily finish. As you can see, here is the something written inside the canopy, and it's BP16 or something like that, if you can see. Oh sorry, SP16. So I hope this is the vendor who makes the canopy. Obviously everything is not manufactured under the same factory. So these are the canopies, pretty premium college canopies. Now this warranty card is typical Crompton warranty card, 2 years warranty, nothing to worry about. So now let me explain the blades. So these are the blades. These blades have high blade angle, as you can see, and the shank is like Riviera. You may also say that this is the Riviera, Solon Riviera blade, but let me wait until the rivet sound arrives in future, or it may not be arrive, whatever might be. Let's see, because this fan will give me a brief idea, means the complete idea on the worst Crompton's premium worst fan, that is the Riviera. The Riviera is the starting model of the Crompton's premium fan, means the mid-range, good quality, long lasting, real life long lasting fan. The Riviera is a starting model, but Crompton intentionally is discontinuing or trying to kill this Zapar. But in the international market like the Sri Lanka or whatsoever, all across the globe, Crompton is specifically selling this model only this model currently, and that model's name is Whirlwind. So this particular model is Whirlwind only. In Indian version this is named as Zapar, and in international markets they call it as Whirlwind. So now let me show you the motor. So this is the motor. The motor pretty much looks like High Speed 24, the thick motor one, and this motor somewhat resembles me of the Crompton's high efficiency Parkinson high efficiency ceiling fan. So this is somewhat looks like vintage, and the motor is bulgy in the downside. That looks pretty nice, not like the flat and bulgy mixture of the Riviera, which looks really awkward and looks like a local brand fan. This fan looks like a Crompton product, but Riviera don't look like a Crompton product. Now the first disadvantage of Riviera is that fan looks like a junk, especially the motor. The second thing, the disadvantage of the Riviera is that in this fan I can see the shaft is pretty good. So let me just push the shaft. So the spring is also working fine, and there is no such play on the shaft. When I push the shaft, I saw there is no such play on the shaft. But in case of Riviera, which I do repaired many Rivieras in the past, and I saw there all the fans having soft problem. Even YouTuber Electro DIY also complained me about the same thing in the Riviera since 2010 or something like that, when the Riviera started production. Maximum Rivieras have the shaft problem, but this Zapar is very much sold in the 2013, that is the G logo, Crompton Grips Limited that time also. And this is the last, I hope this is the last batch of Zapar that I got from Amazon. You also try to get one from Amazon if there is the stocks are ready. Very few are left, obviously. That's why I picked up this model. And yes, one thing I forgot to mention. Do you know this fan resembles what? Crompton Energian HS. Yes, this fan looks like Energian HS. The same motor is constructed in Energian HS, little bit thicker, because that's a BLDC. That's why I purchased this fan, because I hate the Riviera and I am very confident with this fan. The upper cover is of Riviera, I know that. The rotor ring is also removable of this fan, I know that, like the local fans of the Polar or the Usha or whatever might be available in the market. But whatever might be, I have a affinity on this kind of designs, especially the bulgy designs, instead of the semi-flat, semi-bulgy, worst looking Riviera. So much problems arise on the Riviera. That's why I hate the fan. Shaft problem, the blade rivet sounds. Typical Solon product obviously makes rivet sound, but typical rivet sounds. The third is that that should be first point, the ugly looking fan, most ugly looking fan and of Crompton. The fourth one is that Riviera is misguided to many customers by some mischief shopkeepers, and they say that since, as you are watching this Zapar, this is Zapar, so here is written high speed. So when somebody goes to a shop and they want for Crompton high speed, what do? They say yes, this is high speed, the main name is Zapar. I mean, I'm not complaining about the Zapar, I'm talking about Riviera. So they say the main name is Riviera, but it is high speed and it's better than what you were expected from the high speed. Like this, they overboast from that particular Riviera model. So let me explain why they do this. Actually, in Kolkata market, currently this is the March 2021, the Riviera wholesale price or the retail price also in the wholesale shops, like the shops which I put in the description in Kolkata, like the major shops like Ramdev fans or Prakash fans or Ganguly fans, whatever might be, the Riviera fans are priced at rupees 1550 and the HS is priced at 1650. So 100 rupees difference is there. Now the retailers, what do? Especially the small retailers and the towns retailers in the distant town or whatsoever, they because since the MRP of the Riviera is something like 2100 or something like that, what do? They do a bad mischief. They promote the Riviera in the price of high speed. Yes, in now let me explain what happens in short. That is, in the towns and villages, the price of the HS is generally 1800 rupees, and the price of the Riviera should be 1700 or 1750. You keep a 50 rupees difference whatsoever. What they do, the mischief shopkeepers do, is that they sell both the fans for same price, that is 1800 or 1750 whatsoever, and they say the Riviera is having a thin blade, that's why that's having a greater speed compared to the high speed. But they misguide the customer like this. So that's why for that so much thing I bought this Zafar, and this one looks like Energy on HS. Yes, I may buy Energy on HS in future and may do a direct comparison with this boy. But the thing is that due to this overboasting and whatsoever, I have take a oath that I will never purchase Riviera, and I will never promote any Riviera, whatever might be from a Bethora factory or it may be from Solan factory. Let it be a Box logo, let it be a G logo, let it be a Crompton logo, whatsoever. I will never promote any Riviera. That's the main point. Somebody if wants to take this Zafar, I will obviously promote. Yes, same blades whatsoever. The motor looks good. Everything of this fan is better. But I will also promote means the Zafar and the Riviera is of same price. So whatever might be, if Zafar is available in your location, close your eyes and go for Zafar. And if only Riviera and high speed is available in your location, go for high speed. Always keep Riviera. Better to buy other brand fans than buying Riviera. And if you have a good option to buy little bit poor quality fans but premium, then go for the Super Bridge Deco, because that is quite good quality and having very good speed, but the blades are little bit poor quality. That's it. Means it's if you pressurize the blade during cleaning, then the blade may get bent, but if you don't torture your fan, then it will be very good. So whatsoever, I am always advising you guys. I advise you guys for your good only. It means your well-being. I don't advise garbage things to customers and my viewers. I always advise the superior things that will be superior for your personal life and make your life more better. So obviously I boycott Riviera, and I also try to boycott Solan products, but somewhat in my North Indian viewers say they cannot get any Bethora products, so I will always suggest them to buy high speed. If you want to get a Solan product, then buy good quality Solan product which will never disturb you, like the Crompton's high speed. And yes, if high speed also faces some issues, then you can fix it easily, which is not fixable in Riviera named dirty object. So whatever might be, enough of talk. Let's continue to the video, because I hope you feel bored now. So let's continue installation. So the conclusion is that if some of my viewers will say me I bark too much, that's only for you guys. I bark too much because for your well-being. I don't bark for my well-being. So if you are happy, then I am also happy. If you are getting sad from my suggested products, then I am very sorry. And whatsoever, let's continue. So let me first say you is that this is the safety screw, here's the safety cap, everything is good. So what the tools we require, let me say to you now. So the things you require are a plier, a screwdriver. Since all the screws are minus here, there is no plus screws, so you need a single sided but very big size screwdriver. This one screwdriver number is, I hope, 810. So like this, a big size screwdriver will do the job. This is a spanner. This is 10-11 mil spanner for the M6 bolts. Also open type spanner, and a wire stripper, a tester, and obviously some wires to connect your fan through the round rod. So let us begin without wasting any more time. So guys, the installation of the blades on the Zapar is ready. Now let's hang the fan on the ceiling hook and let's check it. Also, let me explain to you why Zapar is not available in the market and why is it so. So as you can see, the fan is installed and it's looking pretty good. This fan is typically looking like a Crompton fan, not like the Riviera, which looks like a bogus bullshit polar looking or some local looking rubbish. So this looks like Crompton. Because why, you know? Because let me show you my ceiling. As you can see, that's my HS56, that's my Jura 56, and this is my Zapar. So the Zapar kind of looks like the mixture of HS and Jura. Yes. So these two fans also resemble Cromptons. That's the thing. That's why I love this model. Now the thing is that why Crompton has officially discontinued but unofficially keeping this model. I don't know what the hell is going on, but in international market this Zapar is renamed as Whirlwind and it's sold. That's why Crompton, what they do, they just ship some models in the name of Zapar in India, and in their official website there is no mentioning of Zapar, not in the paper booklet catalog also. So that's the thing. So I hope Crompton should reintroduce this model and should discontinue the Riviera junk. Anyways, now many people claim Riviera gives better airflow. I will say them, stay with your Riviera. Don't buy our favorite product HS or Zapar. So whatever might be, let's start the fan in full speed, obviously. Oh nice, the motor is good because it's an Amazon product anyways. Oh nice, 380 RPM. It's behaving like exactly like anti-rust Aura. The airflow is really good airflow. I feel it's better than Riviera anyways. It's like Aura, anti-rust, or the Jura 48 inch. As you understand, the Jura is watching. Since it's 56 only whatsoever, this is 48. But this fan is really good fan. I like this fan. This fan gives pretty good comfort. So you can also keep a partner of your HS, this Zapar, if you want. Since currently it's available in Amazon. I don't know how long it will available in Amazon. And somewhat I saw many stocks, around 10 to 15 pieces in OLX also, brand new piece. The advertisement was giving by some Karnataka shopkeeper or some South Indian shopkeeper that all the fans were in silk condition. Brown, ivory, mixture, everything was there. White also. So whatever might be, I feel this fan is very good. So guys, the airflow of this fan is really nice. So let's stop the fan. Before that, let me say regarding the sound. The sound is typically like the HS. I hope it's slightly louder than that of the HS, but it's like Jura. Typically it's like the sound is like Jura or Aura 48. So let's stop the fan. So whatever might be, this fan is a very speedy fan. Crompton claimed it perfect. This is a 380 RPM fan, and the Riviera is a bullshit. Since now also I didn't hear any kind of rivet noises or whatsoever junk things, because this is a Zapar, this is not a junk Riviera. So since the blade construction is same in both the fans, I trust the Zapar more, because this lens looks like a Crompton high speed 24 inch or the Energian HS. Previous HS 24 thick motor, the bottom cover of this design looks like that, or the current Energian HS, that also looks like this Zapar. That's little bit thicker motor. So whatever might be, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any kind of comments, then place it in the comment section, and don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and also share my video. So whatever might be. And yes, one thing, I approve the comments quite late, because as you know, there are many notorious nasty persons on YouTube who just put spammy comments, notorious slanging comments and whatsoever. That's why I put all the comments hold for review in settings. That's why I filtered the comments, and obviously if anybody wants help from me, I obviously post the comment. Only the slanged comments and abusive comments are not posted on my, or not approved in my channel. So whatever might be, stay clean, stay safe, don't abuse in YouTube, and whatsoever, do a healthy debate, but don't abuse. So whatever might be, I hope you guys enjoy the fan. So if you like it, I will try to put some links of Amazon in the description if this fan is still available in stocks. So just go there, check it, and just have a feeling which is better than Riviera anyways. So thank you guys for watching.